If your Hampton Bay ceiling fan remote isn't working, don't rush to replace it. Most problems come down to batteries or pairing issues, and they're easy to fix in just a minute. Here's a clear, step-by-step way to get your remote working again. Start with the basics. Replace the batteries and make sure they're installed with the correct polarity. Press any button and check for a red indicator light on the remote. If there's no light, the remote isn't sending a signal. For older Hampton Bay fans, the remote and receiver use dip switches to communicate. These switches must match exactly on both the remote and the receiver, which is located inside the fan canopy. Turn off power before opening the canopy, then set both dip switch banks to the same pattern. If nearby fans interfere with yours, change to a different switch combination. For newer Hampton Bay models, there are no dip switches. These use an automatic learning pairing mode. Turn off power to the fan at the circuit breaker for 10 to 30 seconds, then restore power. Within 20 seconds, press and hold the remote's power button until the fan clicks or responds. This confirms pairing. If you miss the timing window, repeat the power cycle and try again. Make sure the wall switch is on and you're within 10-20 feet of the fan with no obstructions. If none of these steps work, the remote or receiver may be faulty and need replacement.